Now, I did this wash and go 2 weeks ago, and don't come for me. I know. But look at this. I mean, look, I hated to even wash it out. It's just banging. Look at that. OMG. Yes, I know I got to wash my damn hair today, okay? Got to wash my damn hair today. But look at this, y'all. Look at this. Is this not popping or what for 14 days? Like, what can I say? Look, guys, I did this combo last year sometime. And somebody kind of reminded me about this combo in the comments a couple weeks ago. And I was just about to shampoo and condition my hair and do a wash and go. And I was like, let me go back to that combo since that just was a banging combo, okay? So let me go on back and do that one again. And I am so glad I did because, look, I had a very, very busy 2 weeks. And I am like, I know, I did not wash my hair like I usually do. But let me tell you guys what it is, okay? And you gonna remember this combo? I know y'all remember this combo because I actually stumbled across this combo. I ain't gonna keep y'all. Part of it is the Onky Funky's daughter, okay? Curly Magic. Can you guess what the topper was? Yes. Y'all, this combo right here is a killer combo. Let me tell you, it is a killer combo. I mean, look, I still have mega definition. My hair still feels moisturized. And it's one of them wash and goes that it seemed like every day it gets better and better and better and better. Okay? Look at this. Let me turn around so you can see the back now. Don't come from my back. You know what, guys? I don't never know what my back be looking like back there. I keep forgetting to check it in the mirror before I come on camera. That's those old ass brains. Wait. Let me turn around so you can see the back. That is my back, and that is what I'm looking like. And guys, I'm going to tell you something. I think this is like, it's more than 2 weeks. I can't even remember when I did this wash and go. But like I said, you know, life happens sometimes. But if you're looking for a wash and go, if you know you're going to be busy for days, weeks, maybe, this mop top and this Uncle Funky's daughter combo is everything, y'all. This combo is everything, okay? It's everything. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. As a matter of fact, I want to do another one after this because I know the next couple weeks is going to be crazy. Also, I'm going to be doing some wig installs, and I think that this would be the perfect thing to go underneath my wig install that I have coming up. So I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair, and I'm going to do this combo again, and then I'm going to do a wig install, and then I'm going to come back, guys, and let you guys see what that is like. I got some surprises for you. Yes, yes, yes. So what y'all think? 14 days. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my guys. I mean, my hair still looks so good. I don't even want to wash it. I just don't want to wash my damn hair. I just don't want to do it. I love, love, love this combo. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing again, maybe. Unless I check the comment section and somebody talk about another combo that I haven't done in a while. But let me tell you something. This combo right here, you got to do this combo. If you have not done this combo, you got to do it. I actually have to order some more of this mop top because I only have a quarter left. This is not enough to do a wash and go. It's not. It's a citrusy scent. It's a look. I mean, look at that. Like, can't say enough about it, guys. Look, like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Until next time, guys. Peace. I'm out.